Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to lock Instagram. On this video, we're not going to use specifically Instagram to lock it. What we need to do is to go to our settings. Once you're on your settings, just search for screen time. You can actually use the search bar at the top part of the screen to search that. Let me just type in, alright, screen time. So once you're already on screen time, you'll have an option in here to tap app limits. Tap on app limits. Then here tap add limit. We're going to choose apps, so tap social because that's where under Instagram is. And then here, check Instagram. Once you have selected it, tap next. And then here we'll put 1 minute. So every time or every 1 minute, your Instagram will lock. Now tap add. Then it will be added to your app limits. Now let's go ahead and check Instagram. Now let's open Instagram here. So as you can see in here, it is already locked and it's because of the time limit. So once you click OK, it will actually just go back. But when you tap it again and then tap ignore limit, you can choose in here how many minutes more you want to extend. So I chose 1 more minute. Then I was able to open Instagram. And that's how to lock Instagram. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.